People are quietly making 000-000 a month with ChatGPT. Here are the side hustles that actually work, verified by real earners. Drops the skill floor for writing, coding, and research dramatically. Lets one person do the work of a small team. The key is knowing how to monetize the output. Use ChatGPT to write personal finance guides, how-to books, templates. Sell on Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip each. One guide can sell thousands of times with zero extra work. Offer blog post writing, social media content, or email newsletters. ChatGPT drafts, you edit and add expertise. 10x your output. Charge $500/month per client on retainer. ChatGPT writes scripts, 11 Labs voices them, stock footage fills visuals. Faceless finance channels earn, per 1,000 views plus affiliate income. Takes 1 to 2 hours per video versus full production day. Download my free ChatGPT Side Hustle Starter Guide at https://funbiz.gumroad.com.